How to log out of Discord on all devices. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out of Discord on all devices. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Discord app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in to your account. And here, once you're inside the Discord app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And here, once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, it will prompt you to the settings section. Now from here, you simply have to scroll down and there you can see the option labeled as devices. So simply tap on that. And now here, once you are in the devices section, it will show you the list of the devices that you are currently logged in. So to log out of Discord on all devices, you simply have to scroll down to the bottom and there you can see the option labeled as log out all known devices. So simply tap on it, and once you tap on it, it will ask you to verify your password. So just put your password, and once you're done with it, simply click on submit and it will log you out of the Discord on all devices. And that's it. That's how you can log out of Discord on all devices. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.